Today's air fryer Uncrustable is one of my kids' favorites. They're unbelievably easy to make and they're gooey and so good. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I show you how to make lots of fun and delicious lunch ideas for your kids. So if that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I get to cook together a few times a week. So now you could use a store-bought Uncrustable and follow the steps and put it in the air fryer, but I'm also gonna show you quickly how I make these Uncrustables at home. I have a bunch of them in the freezer ready to go. We're starting out with fresh sandwich bread right here on my board. So I'm gonna take my peanut butter and put a generous amount right in the middle of my bread. You can use jelly, jam, even fresh fruit to make your filling. I'm gonna put some right in the middle. You wanna keep your filling in the middle of the bread so when you use your sealer, it'll seal the edges well and nothing oozes out. And then all you have to do is take the other piece of bread, flip it over, and make that sandwich. This little tool is called a sandwich crimper or sealer. It's inexpensive. I'll leave the link below for you, but it's super helpful to make these Uncrustables, regular or even my pizza Uncrustables. You're gonna love it. Let me show you how it's done. There are some tips to make sure it comes out great. So first, you wanna line up your crimper sealer in the middle of the bread, making sure that you don't go over the edge. And then you're gonna push down, not in the middle, but on the sides to first cut the bread. You wanna keep going down until you kind of feel the cutting board underneath. Once the crimper has cut through the bread, that's when you push it down and seal the edges. Doing it like this, it's gonna prevent the filling from oozing out and it's gonna get the edges sealed really well. The crust all the way around should practically slide right off. And then I just lift it and push it to release and gently remove it. And now we have an awesome Uncrustable. I'm gonna tell you what to do if you're starting out with a frozen Uncrustable, but either way, whether it's fresh, you just made it, or frozen, you do wanna take either some butter or spray and spray both sides of the Uncrustable. Spraying both sides of the Uncrustable is going to make it nice and golden on the outside, so delicious. I'm gonna preheat my air fryer for a couple of minutes just so it's nice and hot inside. I'm gonna place my Uncrustables in the air fryer at 375, and if they're fresh, they only need about 5 minutes, but frozen about 7 to 8, a couple minutes longer. And once they're golden and crispy on the outside, they are ready. After that, you're just gonna grab them, place them on your cutting board. You can eat these right away or pack them in a school lunch. If you do that, don't cut them, just place them in a container with your favorite healthy sides as is, and they're good to go. They're so gooey, delicious, and melty. You gotta make them. If you like easy lunches like this one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more of them on my channel for you. Below in the description, you'll also find my crimper to make these awesome Uncrustables. See you next time.